First of all, I want to give a very warm congratulations and 𝗧𝗲𝗺𝗍 to everyone at 𝗖𝗿𝗄𝗺 and 𝗬𝗂𝘀𝑆. I think people will not be able to, fully grasp the achievement from this team. I know firsthand that even to make something that's even 5 minutes long takes hours and hours, if not days and weeks. So I want to say congratulations, and you all should all applaud yourself. And so far what we've seen today is wonderful. It's international standards. And what's the best is that it's homegrown. It's by Bhutanese, and so wonderful to see our own characters come to life. I think, as the CEO rightly said during his talk, there's a proliferation of content from everywhere else but Bhutan. So I think our younger generation, our children especially, and let's admit most of them are always with a smartphone or a tablet in front of them. They know much more about other countries, other cultures than our own. So to have 𝗬𝗂𝘀𝗁𝗍 bring things that are closer to home, I think that's going to really make them more confident also in their country, in our own stories, in our own culture. And I'm looking forward to also brushing up on 𝗬𝗂𝗽𝗀𝗺. So I might be one of your oldest subscribers. I think it's wonderful that the app and the platform is bilingual, especially because I think now more than ever, as I've mentioned, there's a lot of English content out there. So the fact that we have Dzongkha content, I think it'll be very helpful, not just for little ones, but also for older ones. And also, since I work at BBS Channel 3, I think 𝗬𝗂𝘀𝘀𝗁𝗍 and BBS Channel 3 have very similar goals, which is to inculcate education through very fun and informative content. So I think for me, I feel like we are sister projects, and I wish 𝗬𝗂𝘀𝘀𝗁𝗍 all the very best.